We are the Valmont Senior Design Team, and we have been working year-long on this irrigation maintenance project.
Okay, so our company is Valmont, which specializes in irrigation maintenance or irrigation machinery and different agricultural materials. So, yeah.
So these are our primary stakeholders, and these are our sponsors. We have Ashley Anderson and Billy Grenfield, both from Valmont. Big shout out to you guys. Thank you for all your advice and help throughout the year. We've really appreciated it.
And then here are the faculty that worked on, and staff that worked on our project. Our project manager, Melanie, tribe lead, Vinod, and our coach, Allie. So thank you guys for all your work this year.
And this is our student team. I'm Eric. I'm the squad lead and development manager.
I'm Riva. I'm the product manager.
And we have our 4 developers. We have Zephyr, Grant, Shashi, and Trang.
Okay, and then a little bit about the problem that we were given and what we decided to do with it. So Valmont has an existing application called AgSense 365 that kind of shows information about different irrigation materials, specifically pivots is what we focused on. And so for these, there was no ability to kind of show what maintenance you should do on these machinery. And so our opportunity was kind of to create a way within their existing application to display recommended maintenance, schedule maintenance, and view history on their pivots to kind of reduce the burden of having to do this manually.
So this is our first solution. We have our web platform. We have 3 total platforms. We'll get to those later. This platform allows you to schedule maintenance events that are created by the user. These events can be scheduled based on, let's say, months or years for a machine, or the hours of the operation of that machine. This solution is created using an Angular front end and a .NET API back end. As you can see, we have many features like a status symbol. We have like a, let's say if it's scheduled, it might be or overdue or complete. The user can change that. It's typically based on the date. We also allow the user to input their own custom maintenance information if they can't find their information in the list that we provide. And we also keep track of those machine hours. It'll be updated every time you schedule a new event. It'll drag those previous hours into your new event.
Okay, and then we also have mobile platforms for both Android and iOS. Similar layout to web. We have the widget. Click into the widget. You can see all of the recommended tasks, filter by different seasons. The history tab, you can edit events or create your own new events. One thing that's special about the mobile platforms compared to the web is that you can have notifications that will be sent to your phone at the time of the event, before it, or whenever you want, which is kind of special.
So these are some of the value and highlights that we've had throughout the year. So some big takeaways for our senior design team is the overall importance of an iterative design process and constructive feedback to avoid ambiguity. When you're building a project like this from the ground up, you're given a big sheet of requirements, and sometimes those requirements can mean different things to different people. So having that back and forth with our sponsor was really big for us and taught us a lot about refining requirements and what that all entails. Another takeaway has been like updating our documentation and artifacts continuously through development instead of waiting until, oh, that's done, so we can go back and do all the documentation. We learned that's probably not the best way to do it. Do it as you go along. As well as learning and refining agile methodology. That's a big point for senior design in general, is to refine like sprint planning, point estimation, and storyboarding. And some big highlights. Our team has gained a ton of great experience in the end-to-end development of a completely new system. It's a very unique experience, and we've all gained a lot of technical skills as well as soft skills out of that. And then mobile development, that's been huge for us because we don't get that much experience in our classes with our mobile development, iOS and Android, but this project exposed us to both iOS and Android and new environments to work in, so that's been huge for us.